Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. So let's start the review. Altair coin, honoring the legacy of Altair. First we have some information about Altair. Altair coin was born from the desire to celebrate and preserve the legacy of Altair, one of the most iconic figures in Cuban urban music, known for blending Cuban rhythms with reggaeton and trap. Altair made a lasting impact on the global music scene. His music transcended borders, becoming the soundtrack of many young people's life. With Tiger Coin, we honor his contribution to music and culture by creating a cryptocurrency that brings fans, collectors, and crypto enthusiasts together. This coin not only allows people to engage with Altair's legacy through digital art and NFT but also give back through charity. A portion of the funds raised will be donated to St. George Children's Research Hospital, continuing Altair's spirit of generosity and giving. By fusing Miami's urban energy with Havana's cultural roots, Tiger Coin creates a unique space for music, technology, and philanthropy to coexist. It's a tribute to Altair's legacy and the culture he helped shape. Here you can see some pictures right here. Petition Justice classified as first degree murder. We are calling on Miami-Dade to upgrade charges against Domian Valdez Goloso from second degree to first degree murder in the target killing of Oso Manuel Carvajal. Oso Manuel Carvajal was taken from his family and his 4 children under brutal and premeditated circumstances. Yet the current charges of second-degree murder does not fully reflect the severity and intent of his crime. This downgrade minimizes the loss suffered by Oso Manuel Carvajal's friend, family, and community, and we are requesting to hold Domian Valdez Goloso fully accountable. By upgrading the charge to first-degree murder, Miami-Dade can send a strong message that our community will not tolerate such heinous act. We urge Miami-Dade County to pursue justice for the fullest extent of Oso Manuel Carvajal, honoring his memory and providing closure for all who loved him. Next, we have donation for a cause. We are thrilling to support St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital with a $5,000 donation, and we invite you to join us in making a difference. You can contribute directly through our donation section, and we will post the receipt once the donation is processed. For full transparency, we can create a brighter future for the children in need. Here you can check their wallet address and donate what you want. Next, we have their roadmap. Phase 1 Foundation and Launch. Develop the smart contract and audit for Tiger. Build the Tiger Coin website and social media presence. Launch a community airdrop campaign. Add liquidity to decentralized exchanges DEX. Phase 2 Community and Engagement. Release the first collection of Altair's inspired NFTs. Begin regular charity contributions. Host virtual and live community events celebrating Altair's music and legacy. Phase 3 Expansion and Partnership. Collaborate with Cuban and Miami-based artists to expand the cultural impact. Develop partnership with music and crypto platform for broader adoption. Introduce staking option for Tiger's holder with reward and exclusive content. Phase 4 Long-term impact. Scale charity contributions to include additional cause. Develop a Tiger Coin app for NFT browsing, charity tracking, and more. Expand utility by integrating Tiger's token into music platform and merchandise sales. By uniting music, culture, and crypto, Tiger Coin aims to keep Altair's legacy alive, inspiring fans and communities worldwide. Here you can see their partners PinkSale and DexView. Upload your favorite Altair's picture right here. You can also upload your Altair's favorite picture right here. Next, we have their tokenomics. Token name Tiger Coin, symbol Tiger. Token launch, fair launch on PinkSale, blockchain, Binance Smart Chain. Here you can check it out their total supply. 70% sale, 51% liquidity pool locked for 10 years to ensure long-term stability and trust in the market. Remaining token locked for 30 months and subject to a vesting schedule to prevent inflation and maintain token value over time. Utility access exclusive Altair theme NFTs and music content. Participate in community events and giveaways. Support charitable cause linked to Altair's legacy. 0% tax on transactions, no fees, no buying or selling. Fair launch open to all on paying sale with no pre-sales. Max supply 37 billion Tigers token. Here you can check their contract address. You must copy their contract address and buy these tokens. What is your favorite Tigers song? Here you can see their songs. Here you can check and make your favorite song. Share your Tigers favorite song right here. Next we have their audit certificate and KYC certificate. Here you can check it out their certificate. This is a fabulous project. Here you can see the social platforms like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, and furthermore. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on Twitter. Here you can see their latest news and post right here. This is a fabulous project. I hope you like the video. Before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just telling you about the amazing project, so do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Bye.